Police sources claimed that a gunfight broke out in the Karighatta hills of the Bijapur district near the Telangana border, India, during a so-called counter-insurgency operation in the death toll of those labeled as suspected Maoists by the Indian forces has exceeded 150 in 2025 alone. In the year 2024, at least 217 such individuals were killed in the similar encounters. Inspector General of the Police for the Bastar Range, Sundraganj P., confirmed that the personnel from the District Reserve Guard of the Bijapur and Dantewada districts, the Special Task Force, and the 202 and the 210th Battalions of the Cobra participated in the operation. Indian troops killed 4 individuals whom they claimed were Maoist during an encounter in the Maharashtra's Gadcholi district, India. The police official said that the gunfight occurred near Kawande village close to the Indravati river during a joint operation carried out by the Indian paramilitary and the police forces. The operation was reportedly launched following an intelligence inputs about the Maoist presence in the area.